Chinese rover spots weird large cube on the moon. The geometric lunar feature dubbed a mystery hut has stumped the scientists, who say they plan to take a closer look. An intriguing cube-shaped object spotted on the far side of the moon has attracted the attention of scientists. Chinese U-22 rover captured images of the mystery structure from around 260 feet away while navigating across the Von Karman crater in the South Pole Aitken Basin on the moon. Chinese scientists have already rerouted the rover to take a closer look, but it will take a few months for U-2 to reach the bizarre lunar feature. According to a U-22 diary published by Our Space, a Chinese language science outreach channel affiliated with the China National Space Administration, the shape was spotted on the horizon in November during the mission's 36th lunar day. Our Space first described the object in a post last week, temporarily dubbing it a mystery hut. Since U-22 spotted the mystery hut, scientists have changed the six-field vehicle course to investigate the cube. The solar-powered rover will spend 2 to 3 lunar days, equivalent to 2 to 3 months' time on Earth, traversing the lunar landscape to take a closer look, so we should have more clues shortly. The rover's images immediately sparked debate as to what the cube-shaped object was and inspired humorous guesses. Was it a home built by aliens after the crash landing? Or is it the Pioneer spacecraft of the predecessors to explore the moon? The hut may simply be a large boulder that's been pushed up by a meteor impact and taken on a geometric look in the low resolution image. The blog post noted that there is an impact crater beside the mystery hut, further suggesting that the cube could just be an excavated lunar rock. This latest discovery isn't the first curious thing the U-22 rover has seen since its arrival on the far side of the moon almost 3 years ago. In September 2019, the rover encountered a strange gel-like substance that turned out to be a melted rock fragment cemented together from extreme heat. This year, U-22 spotted unusual shards sticking out from the lunar surface that turned out to be rocks launched by a meteor impact. Whatever the cube-shaped object is, we will have to wait another few months before getting an answer. Until then, it's fun to speculate on what the mystery hut could be. Want to join us on our journey to the greatest mysteries and sensational discoveries? Then subscribe to Bright Kerlite English and never miss any of our videos in the future. Remember to give our posters a thumbs up to show us that we keep you engaged with our content.